Hi, today we're going to look into one of the two ways to add codes or barcodes, tags to MCB, the Mission Control Module for Securitas. So this first one will be directly in MCB, so we're not going to use the TCB app. That's going to be in our second tutorial. So for this first one, let's maximize. We're going to go to checkpoints barcode management. So in this section, I have a list of all my clients. I'm going to look for one where I know I already have a tag. So that's going to be this one here. So in this checkpoint of the site, I already have a code that is here that's been written in the checkpoint. So something to remember: you can enter barcodes, QR codes, or NFC tags for each checkpoint. And no matter if you are doing a QR or NFC, what you're doing is actually text. So this is the content of our QR code. So if I look at the QR code that we have here, so this QR code here is actually inside it. It's a representation of a text that we copied into the barcode management. The same for a barcode. It's actually just a string of usually numbers, and sometimes characters as well. So we have in our, let's get our MCB back. So we have our code content that I copied here. The notes are just free text that I can add. So when I save this, it is saved into the checkpoint. So when going into the itineraries, we're going to look into the first one because I know this site is in this itinerary. I have the itinerary here and the code is appearing here. And in the itinerary, I select if the code is used or not. For our NFC tags, it's actually the same thing. So let's look at another site, this one here, where I'm going to put the tag. So I don't have to go and scan on site. I can do the same thing for NFC. It's just that NFC is a long string of digits. So I'm going to minimize this and I'm going to go back to my app just to show you in the app. I have an NFC tag just right beside me, and what I will do is I will read the tag, and I'm going to scan the tag, and the tag, I scan the complete string of number that is inside the tag that I want to use is this one here, and then I'm going to copy this code inside. Let's do it this way here. Copy the reverse X, and then the tag code is here in the note. And the notes, I can just write anything at the back the server door, like this. And then I save, and my tag is available to the site in my itinerary. So if I go back to my itinerary and I edit my site, my tag now appears this this NFC tag, this specific icon for the NFC tag. In the next tutorial, we're going to look at making a task using the TCB app.